While the economy is burning in Zimbabwe and everyone is trying to find a way to survive and they're living out of what they can do to survive, the Zimbabwe Republic Police had a cat and mouse chase with the vendors in the Central Business District today on the 18th of January, and Sly Media TV crew captured the events. And this is what remains of what was going to be a profit that would feed families. Is this what lies ahead in the year 2023? Subscribe, click, follow our social media pages. Sly Media TV, building bridges.